Good morning, good morning, good morning, or good afternoon, or whenever it is you're watching this video. Wanted to go over some of our properties we've recently have. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh Heller. I'm the owner here at J.R. Heller Real Estate. We are a real estate investment company. And a brokerage that specializes in wholesaling and flipping and rentals properties all over the country. We're headquartered in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, but like I said, we actually do deals nationwide. So if you're a seller interested in selling, you can go to our website, jrheller.com, and you can get an offer and see all the different options for selling your house. I also just got rated top 5% award for the first half of 2021 as a real estate agent. That's really from our investment properties, not from me, traditional brokerage, but I do have agents that are traditional here as well. So you can explore your options with that. jrheller.realestate is our, right here is our property website where we have all of our properties listed. And I just want to go over a couple in this video and show you the different deals we have, the process between how we get them under contract and what kind of the game plan is, so you can get a better understanding. If you're new to wholesale, I'd love to help you out. If you're a seasoned investor, obviously you'll definitely want to sign up for our buyers list. Right here, you can join our buyers list and we'll email you all the deals that we get. But let's dive in. So let's take a look at 137 East Garfield Ave. This seems to be our newest listing live here on our website. And we can take a look at the pictures. I'm actually looking at these deals with you live for the first time. So I'm literally just going to critique basically my sales agents and what they do and take a look at the deal. So if we're looking at this, obviously it doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. Paint, maybe, there's some stuff left behind. I don't know if they're going to come get that stuff or not. Looks like it's in a nice yard area here. Let's see if we can pull up comps. We use RPR, but basically any tool will help you pull up comps here. So let's take a look. So the AVM right away is saying 91. That's an algorithm that basically, okay, here, look. So we have a 3-2, 1632 square feet, 0.3 acres, on Carbondale, in Carbondale, that sold for 139. Let's take a look at these pictures and compare it to ours. Let me look at the pictures. Okay, so let's look at these pictures. Okay, good square footage in yard, kind of the same. This one's a little bit nicer. It's got new appliances. This probably could have been an investor selling this. Remodel home with many great views. So yeah, so this right here, owner Gloria Martinez, she could be an investor. This might be somebody we would want to contact to see if they would have interest in ours. But you can see here, obviously, so this is a 3-2. What is ours? No, that's not good. Doesn't even say. That's not good. That's number one, so we got to fix that. We don't even have information on it here. Let's go back. So let's see. This is a 3-2-16. No, it doesn't even say in public records. So this is something like we definitely need to get the information from the owner on. It's saying 91. It probably could be pushed a little bit higher if there's rehab done to it. So we have it listed at 83, 84 now. So let's just do some math here quickly. At 84, actually, I'll just show you exactly how we determine all of our stuff here. So let's get you this. Okay. Okay. So here is the back end of our Podio. You can see the property address here, owner information. You can hit this link and see Zillow. Oh, public auction. Interesting. Wonder if you can even sell this deal. Okay, so here's some comps that pulled in: 68.9, 111, 130, 72, 100. Bedrooms. And stuff. I was having trouble finding bedrooms in this area. Very weird. Um, so let's see if we can get any information from the owner. Well, it doesn't look like there's very much information in this one. So, John, do a better job putting information in, please, so that we know actually what's going on with properties. So yeah, I think it's probably, so if we just did some reverse engineering on work, let's say the property is 1,000 square feet. Let's say it's going to take $10 a square foot for rehab costs to get it to that 130. That's 10,000 in rehab costs. So what we're going to do is take our ARV of 130. We're going to do, I like to do 0.90 because we're super aggressive. Back out our repair costs, back out an assignment fee. So really we could be selling this for 97. I think 83 is probably a good move price on it. If you really wanted to go aggressive, like for most investors, flippers, they want to be at like 70% ARV. So 130 times 70, 70% of ARV, 10,000 estimated repair costs, 10,000 assignment fee, 71. So that's kind of how we run our numbers and our basis. Obviously every story is different. If it's more of a retail deal, it's going to be a different number versus if it's an investment deal. But that's kind of the basics on how we run our numbers and how we go about sending out offers and looking at deals. So I hope you got some information out of this website. Follow us for more videos. Definitely reach out if you have any questions for me. Like I said, we have our seller network. We have our buyer network. If you're an investor, please join our buyers list. That way we can get you in front of more deals.